I just got a 5-foot gang sheet of Ninja transfers. They are actually DTF prints, so I am really excited to get this out of the box and show you and get them cut apart so we can get them pressed. So this is the 5-foot gang sheet, DTF prints. These are designs that I have on Etsy. So my puppy decided to walk across. So let's get these cut out and get started. It was so easy to build this Ninja DTF gang sheet. So you just go to the website and you click on gang sheet, and I did a 5-foot. And so now you go to build your own gang sheet. Now I do have an account, and I do have a bunch of my designs uploaded. So let's start new here. And so it brings in your gang sheet so that you can start filling it with your designs. And here are some designs that I already had brought in. And like I said, these are designs that I have in my Etsy shop. So I'll have a link below for that. But let's just pull one in and show you how this works. So it comes in and it shows you the resolution and the size. So this is almost 21 inches wide. And of course, I don't want it that big for a shirt. And so I'm going to zoom this down, or for whatever that you want it for. So you just zoom it down and you can see here 10 inches wide by 4.71 inches in height. And then you can move this around on your gang sheet any way that you want so that you can completely fill this gang sheet up. And again, let's see what this one came in at. That's not too bad. 8.17 in width and 8 inches in height. So I'm gonna make that one a little bit bigger. And you just continue on until you fill up your whole gang sheet. And you can copy these and paste them, Control C, Control V, and have numerous of the same item. Or you can also you need to move it so that you want to make sure your green lines are outlined there so that they're not overlapping. You can see that there. You can also duplicate your image by just going here and hitting duplicate, and that will bring it in again. It is very easy. You can also hook it to your Canva account. You just connect your Canva. I did not do that. You can do names and numbers here. So it makes it very easy. And then all you do is you add it to your cart and you check out. So it is very easy to use this website. They make it very user friendly. And here are the Ninja transfers all cut out. These are just amazing. You can see on the back the DTF coating on there. It's just so perfect. These are going to work out so well. So let's get some pressed. So this shirt is going to be for me. So I am going to pick one of these two designs. But as you can see, they are such good quality designs. So let's get started. So the instructions for these easy peels say 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 seconds. So that's what I'm going to start with. So I have my HTV Ront Auto Heat Press 2 set up for 310 degrees. It doesn't have a 12-second time on it, but it does go up in 5-second increments. So I'll open it after 12 seconds, and I have my pressure set to firm. The instructions say for these Ninja DTF that you do not need to pre-press. So I have just cleaned my shirt, and I'll get my design centered and I will get this pressed. So hopefully I've got my design centered great. And so now I'm going to shut this up and I'm going to press for 12 seconds. So now it's fully pressed. So let's give this a try. See how it goes. See if we have any. Wow, it's coming off amazing. I only waited a few seconds to peel. Wow, this looks amazing. Now the instructions say to put the protective paper on and press again. So let me get that ready. Now I've got the protective paper on and I'm going to press for another 15 seconds. And that should be it. Oh, wow. This feels so good. It's just amazing. Very, very hot right now. Just amazing. And you know, it doesn't have that rubbery feel to it. So I really, really like the feel of this. Well, I am very happy with how this Ninja Gang sheet turned out. These DTF direct to film transfers are amazing. They are so easy to use. If you have a family reunion or anything coming up where you need to take some t-shirts along so that you have the correct sizes to put images on, this would be a fantastic way to do it. I highly recommend Ninja Transfers. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.